Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Yellow color. A. A for apricot. A for apricot. B. B for banana. B for banana. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for donut. D for donut. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for guitar. G for guitar. H. H for house. H for house. Light green color. I for eyes. I for eyes. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lime. L for lime. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for papaya. P for papaya. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. Let's start. 1, 2, TWO2, 3, THREE 3, 4, FOUR 4, 5, FIVE 5, 6, SIX 6, 7, SEVEN 7, 8, EIGHT 8. Red color. 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10, 11, ELEVEN 11, 12, TWELVE 12, 13, THIRTEEN 13, 14, FOURTEEN 14, 15, FIFTEEN 15, 16, SIXTEEN 16. So kids, what we learned today? Yellow color, blue color, light green color and red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.